Hi, I'm Meredith and I'm with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our stainless steel skinny can cooler right after this. Okay, so we're going to show you our stainless steel skinny can cooler. We did our image in Photoshop printing with our sawgrass printers. Since our image is a little bit bigger than our heating element, we can do this actually in 2 presses. So we're just going to trim away. We'll do this image first. And we are going to press this using our water bottle element. And we are at 320 degrees for 180 seconds. Okay, and we are going to remove this immediately. And now I'm going to tape the second image to the other side. And we're going to go for the same amount of time. Okay, and you'll want to remove the second side immediately as well. And there you have one personalized stainless steel skinny can cooler. Make sure to add the top to it once you put your drink in there. And there you go. Check out our website for all your instructions and our templates, and don't forget to like and subscribe.